What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this smart dog multifunctional toy. I got this from TEMU. I paid like $80 with tax. So this is the TEMU listing here. So it was a local warehouse, so it arrived like under a week, which isn't too bad. It is a new intelligent toy robot dog, wireless remote control dog. AI voice control, can be connected to mobile phones, can dance, programmable, supports voice commands. Full of sci-fi. It is perfect for prize or gifts for children, grandchildren. Let's go ahead and find out if this is any good. So here's the box. On the front of the box, so it looks like the brand is Rapid Power Smart Dog Multifunctional Toy. Comes with a remote, ages 3 and up. You can use an app to control it. Function introduction. Forward, backwards, turn left, turn right, dance, stories, education, AI chat, songs. Make a program for continuous actions. Head with lights, actions as swim, somersault. Sit down, get down, coquetry, peace, shake hand, attack, yoga, gong fu, patrol, and push up. All right, so in the back we get some pictures of what it can do. So greetings, kung fu, swimming, sit down, handstand, and attack. That, I don't know, that looks like okay. All right, so that's pretty much it for the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Awesome. So there's a remote. Looks like an Xbox controller. Take this out. All right. There's our robot dog right here. Okay, we do get a USB Type-C charger for, I think, the robot or the remote. I'm not sure yet. So let's go ahead and open this. All right. So here's the robot dog. Cool. Let's go ahead and put this down, get some of this stuff away. Use the remote. Oh wow, the remote feels very light. It's like there's nothing in here. Yeah, that's really hollow. Wow. Once you put batteries, I'm sure you're gonna feel a little weight, but there's a manual. Cool. So how do I set this up? Yeah, there's something in here that helps me set this up. Yeah, so the manual just said stuff about the app, so I guess I'm just gonna power it on. No, that didn't work. Maybe it needs batteries. No, oh, okay, so we have to plug in the battery. It doesn't come plugged in. This is a small lithium battery. That's all it needs. That's crazy. Okay. Cool. We plugged it in. Go and install that in. Awesome. Now let's turn it on. Oh! Alright, so that's scary. It's very loud. Awesome. Okay, let me go ahead and put batteries on this remote and see what kind of stuff we can do with this. Okay, so the remote takes AAA batteries and it needs 3. Thankfully, I bought some rechargeable ones a couple of days ago for my remote controls, and I can use it for this now. Cool. Let's see how awesome this robot is. We have batteries installed. Is there a way to turn this on? No. Okay, let's just press a button. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, relax. Okay, I'm gonna press a button. What should we do? Handshake. And then it started doing this action. That didn't go as planned. Okay, so handshake did work. What about urinate? Okay, that was cool. Greetings. We're gonna try greetings here. Awesome. Let's try that. What the hell? Okay. That was cool. Yeah, this would be fun for little kids. They just press buttons and dogs start doing stuff. My little sister would definitely love this, just to have fun. All right, so let's try something else. I want to try attack. I don't want this to fall off the table, so I'm gonna be prepared. I'm gonna press attack. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. It acts very, very weird after the command, but it is working. Let's try another one. Let's try dance. Oh. Whoa. What? Okay, okay, okay. But overall, yo, this is pretty sick. Holy. Let me zoom out a little bit, show you guys more of the robot. All right, what else should we do? Kung Fu. Ooh, what does that do? Whoa. I don't know what it's doing. What? It's doing back kicks. Whoa! Yo! That's my phone! Okay, sorry, sir. I gotta get you back. Okay, yeah, that this thing is going crazy, alright? It almost knocked my phone down, and it was having too much fun with my desk. Cool. What else should we try? Let's see. Act cute. What does that do? Whoa! That's not cute. Get back. Get back. Yo, this is crazy, bro. Okay. I don't know how that was cute. What else should we try? Push-ups? This can do push-ups? Okay, yeah, this is definitely not meant to use on top of a table. It's acting too crazy. Oh, there's a sleep. I wonder what that does. Okay. What else? Story. It can tell us a story.
Little Lamb and the Wolf. Wolf meeting with a lamb astray from the fold, resolved not to lay violent hands on him, but to find some pity to justify to the lamb the wolf's right to eat him. She thus addressed him: Sirrah, last year you grossly insulted me. Indeed, pleaded the lamb in a
Okay, so that story mode, it was just telling a little story. Cool. So we can make it walk forward, backwards, to the side, I believe. Let's see. Oh, it's turning left. Whoa, let's turn right. I mean left. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So yeah, this is really cool actually. Let me see if I can make it walk forward without falling. So it's gonna go from left to right. Let's go like this. Nope. Okay, so this is for. Whoa. Okay, backwards. Oh. That's crazy. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, we can make it sit down. That's like the first thing that they have here. Oh, nice. How do we do super render? What does super render mean? All right, yeah, that was pretty much it. This is just like, what do you guys think? Is this worth it? It it is pretty fun to play with. I'm not gonna lie, and my dogs were all staring at it while I was doing this. Anyways, if you guys have any questions about this device, just leave a comment. And yeah, thank you for watching my videos. See you guys.